Hello, all my friends out in YouTube. Welcome to another video, or not so much a video, but it's an audio thing, because I can't use video very well. I don't know how, but obviously it's a screen recording. It'll be a screen recording. So today what we're going to be looking at, and we're actually going to be doing an unboxing. Believe it or not, we're gonna do an unboxing. That is a ATT telephone. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did take a sneak peek in the box just to make sure that everything was in there. That's why it looks like it's been opened, but obviously it hasn't been opened. I just opened it a little to take a sneak peek at what was in there. So, anyway, basically, it's an unboxing that I'm doing. So, let's get started. Let's get started, boys. Alright, so you peel back this tape, and this is what you get in the phone box. You get the base. Oops. My materials are going everywhere now. Okay.
Link.
Oh well. I'll have to worry about that later. Let me turn this down just a hot bit. Uh-oh. What did I do there? What did I do there? Alright, well. Alright, well that's out of the way. Anyway, so what we get in here, what we get in this bag is the base. We get the line cord, which is already connected into the base. So this is a new line cord and everything. This is an entirely new line cord. Alright, so let's look at the paper here. This is a brochure, I believe. Put that in there. Sometimes I'll keep the box to the phone just in case for some reason something goes wrong with it. I want to sell it. Here's your manual. This phone has caller ID on it and 13 number memory. So there's your manual for all that. There's your manual for all that. And let's get that phone out of the way for a minute. Let's get the phone out of the way for a hot minute. Move that out the way. Get that out of the way. And then right here is your base. Like I said, this is your base unit. So that is what you hook your handset up to. We are going to be testing this thing on my analyzer, because yeah, just like A1 telephone, I do have an analyzer, except my analyzer is different. You can't see the digits going by. You can only hear them. My analyzer is different because I have no vision. I'm blind. I'm visually impaired. My analyzer is different. Now here's the handset. And what I can see about this, what I like about this handset straight away is that push every button on it to welcome it to service. Flip every button switch. Push every button on it again to welcome it to service. That's what And I do quote the EAS community for telling me about this. Anybody in the EAS community might know that any kind of radio or any other piece of equipment that you get, you have to push every button on it to welcome it to service. So, just for luck purposes, what I can see right on this handset straight away is that it's got a really good speaker. It's got a really good earpiece speaker on it. We are going to hook this up to the phone line to test the transmit. So that handset's going to go right there. Right there. And here is the telephone handset cord. Now this is a pretty short handset cord, but we're going to just plug this into the side of the phone. Just going to plug it into the side of the phone, and so that's going to go there. Okay, so that's going to, so as you can hear, as you just heard, it just clicked and hooked into the base. Okay, that's the phone set up and prepared. Let's undo the line cord and hook it up to a phone line. We're going to test this with two phones to confirm that this phone does work. So, here's a phone line right here. Now this is my Grandstream HT-802 ATA. I will eventually do a review on it. I use this as a telephone intercom box. So in goes that line. As you can quite honestly hear. Gonna give you some dial tone. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but alright, I don't know if you can hear that, but we're going to go ahead and hook this up to a test line. This is one of my other phones. I had this phone quite long ago too. It's not an old one. I just bought it a couple weeks ago. So this has really served well for me. I will set this up as like a military field phone system type deal. So we'll go over how to do that in a later video. But here is my phone line for the tester. Okay. So, let's see if this dials out. As you can hear, it rings. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Crap. 1 minute. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Okay. Okay. I'm coming. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Okay, it works. Alright, so let's ring this up. I'm going to have to speed up a little bit on this, but let's ring it up. It's not ringing for some reason. Oh, it's not ringing up. Yeah, this switches. Alright, well that's it ringing. Alright, well that's it ringing. Alright, we're going to end it here. So, thank you guys for watching. We're going to end it there. I just had to exercise the switch just a little bit, and I'm probably wondering why that ringer switch is so faulty. We're going to probably have a look inside it and see why. But alright, well, that's it, my folks. So, like, comment, subscribe. Good night.